And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 16. Let me show you how you can change the background. We're just gonna use the methods that I've shown you in the previous tutorials. I'll press Ctrl J here to copy the original so that I can work on a copy and have the original as a backup. And then I want to use the properties of this copy. If you can't find that, go to Window, click on Properties, and then use the quick actions. We want to just remove the background. Might take a couple of seconds, but here we are. The can is cut out. Now create a new layer by clicking on this little plus icon. And then I use the bucket fill tool. You'll find it right here where the gradient tool is. If you don't see it, press G on your keyboard, which is the short key, then right click on the gradient and select the bucket fill tool. Make your colors black and white by clicking on these small swatches right here, then flip the colors. We want to make foreground color white, and then left click on your canvas. This should make it white, but the can has vanished. And this is because of the order in the layers menu. Just drag and drop layer 1, which is our white background, below the cutout of the can, so our copy layer, and then you should be good. So this is a quick method to do that, but you can also see when you zoom in a little bit, this automated cutout isn't perfect, so it leaves a lot of fragments, and when you zoom in far enough, or when you need the result at a very high resolution, you're gonna have to clean that up manually. Let me show you how that is done on a new example. We'll press Ctrl J again to work on a copy. I remove the background. Now we have this car cutout, but here is a very big area that the automated system missed. So we have to work on that. To do that, we'll select the layer mask here. So not the layer, but the layer mask. And we use the brush tool. You can press B for that. This time we want to make black our foreground color. And black is going to erase when we left click drag here. So we don't need this part. And you can resize the brush up here. And I zoom holding Alt, and then I use the mouse wheel. So that looks way better. Let us create a new layer, and this time I directly put it below our cutout. Yet again, I click on the plus sign to create it. It's empty for now, so we use the bucket fill tool. White is our foreground color, and then I left click on this canvas. Way better results, but still, tires here, they don't look very clean. So let's go over that once more. I'll switch to the layer mask, use my brush tool, press B for it, and then I play around with black and white as my colors. You can also press X to switch between them quickly, and now clean that up. You can see some results, they take a lot of time to be near perfect. So it's a question of how much time you want to invest. But with a little bit of work, we were able to improve this result quite a lot. And it would be a good idea to do that on the can as well. You'll find both of these images in the description, so if you want to try it yourself, you can use the very exact same ones that I've used here. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.